Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Kotlin programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we discussed about what is UDF, UDF with parameter, UDF with prefix, UDF with return value and UDF with Vararg practically. To learn that concept, please watch my previous video. Now, in this video, we will discuss about what is class, how to create a class in Kotlin, what is object, and how to create an object in the Kotlin programming language practically. So, let's start the session. I have created a Kotlin file in the IntelliJ IDE and now I am writing function main over here. So function main is a starting point of the program execution, and then what I will do is I will just create a class in the Kotlin. Say for example class customer. So customer is my class that I have created. Class is a keyword that will use to create a class in the Kotlin. What is a class? A class is a blueprint of the object. Okay. And a class is a virtual entity, you can say. It is not a real world entity. A class is a user defined data type also. A class has its own property and behavior. And if you have a class, then you can create an object of the particular class like as a variable customer1 equal to customer and then a round bracket over here. Because whenever we are creating an object, it will call a constructor. Okay. So a customer is a class that we have created, and here cust1 is our object that we have created for the particular class name as customer. So by using this syntax, you can create a simple class in the Kotlin, and customer1 is our object that we have created for the particular class name as customer. Okay. After that, I am just creating another class, say for example class contact. Okay. And in that class, I will have a two parameters. Say for example, first is val id colon integer comma variable name colon string. Okay. So here we have created a class name as a contact. It has a two parameter id and name. These two parameter is used to access the value of the object. Now I am creating an object. Say for example var contact1 equal to contact, and in the bracket I will pass the two value over here. Say for example when I press Ctrl P, it will let me know which parameter is required. So I am just passing 10 and a Kotlin as a string over here. Now what I am doing is I am just running this line of code over here, and it will definitely run successfully. What we have created? We have created a two class and a two object for every class. Okay. So this process is finished, but we do not have getting any output in the console because we do not have printed yet. So I am just writing print statement println contact1 dot id dot to string. I need to convert these id into the string because the id is integer value. Now I am running the file. As you can see in the output, we are getting 10 in the console output. So contact1 is our object. By using dot operator, you can access the property of the particular object. Say for example contact1 dot name. Now I am just printing name of the particular contact. So as we are running the program, it will give me the console output like as 10 and Kotlin. So this value is defined by calling a constructor and assigned to the particular object. Okay. Now what we can do, we can change the value of the particular property. Say for example contact1 dot name equal to, now you can provide another value to your property. Say for example Android. Okay. So now I am just changing the value of the particular property, and now I am printing the value contact1 dot name over here. So when we run the file, we will get the 10 from the id and the old name, and then we will have the updated name which we have updated in the line number 17. So this is just a simple line of code. When we run the file, let me run this file first. So we will have the output like as a 10 and Kotlin, and then we are getting 10 and Kotlin, and then we are getting 10 and Android over here. So what we have done, we have changed the value of the particular property for the particular object. Customer is our class that we have created. Then we have created a contact class with two parameter. Then it is an object. It is also an object for different class. Okay. And by using that object, with a dot operator you can access the property of the particular object, and if you are accessing the property you can definitely change it by the equal to operator. Okay, so this is what about class and object now. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video we will discuss about constructor and these keywords in the Kotlin with practical demonstration. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.